Hi, in front of me is SOYES S10 Mini, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and choose Security. Then scroll down again, select face unlock and enter your current login method. Choose Register Face Data, read the disclaimer and tap Continue. Now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I guess that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!